OK, so Derek, tell me how you're going to take care of Flopsy the guinea pig for the next week.
I'm going to give him his medicine 3 times a day.
And what's that for?
To stop him getting the hiccups again.
Good. And what's the other extra special thing you have to do?
Give him lots of cuddles.
That's the one. OK, who's next?
Hello, Vet.
Hi, Vet Johnson.
Oh.
Little bit of an emergency with Triggs, I'm afraid.
Sorry, Mrs. S. I think McGinty was here first.
That's no problem, Vet Johnson. You leave the little doggy go in first.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Vet Johnson, my doggy Triggs has a sore paw and he's lost his woof.
Lost his woof? Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that paw looks a bit red, all right. Good news, everyone. I pulled a thorn out of his paw, bandaged him up, and now he's as good as new.
Fantastic!
And what about his woof?
Judge for yourself.
Oh, woof, woof, woof. Oh, Maddie, Vet Johnson is the best. She made me all better. I got my woof back, woof, shouted out. No sweeter sound than laughing out loud when I was feeling sore. I knew outside the door my friend was waiting for me. That's what friends are for.
Sometimes we all get scared when friends are under the weather. We let them know we care, help them to feel better. Sometimes we all get scared when friends are under the weather. We let them know we care, help them to feel better. We look out for each other.
Who's that coming in the gate?
It's McGinty. And he has a tiny little dog with him.
Hi, McGinty. What's your little dog's name?
Hello, Maddie. She doesn't have a name yet. I've just adopted her from the dog shelter.
Oh, she's very cute.
Oh, she is. Now, little doggy, there's no need to be standing by the gate. Go on and play. You can bring your squeaky toy.
That sounds like a no.
Do you know, I think she might be a bit shy. You're okay. All the dogs in here are very friendly. Go on in and play now. It's just no use. She doesn't want to go in. Maybe I should take her home.
No, wait. She just doesn't know the dog park yet. Triggs can show her around. Triggs, come and meet McGinty's new dog.
Oh, Maddie, she's so tiny. Look at you, little doggy. You're the cutest little thing. Oh, yes, you are.
I think she's a bit scared of the dog park, Triggs. Maybe you could show her what's so great about it. Help her feel at home.
It would be my honor. Let's see. What's so great about the dog park? Well, there's shaggy dogs and waggy dogs with tongues that flop around. There's fluffy dogs and scruffy dogs, white, gold, black and brown. There's Rover, Sprocket, Banjo and Kathleen. And when we get together, well, it's something to be seen. Come on now, everybody, let's raise the woof. Oh, I love the dog park. Doggy, 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 dog park. Oh, I love the dog park. Every doggy's welcome in the dog park.
Hear that, little doggy? Every doggy's welcome.
She's only gonna join the other dogs. She wants to play.
Woohoo! You did it, Triggs!
Thank you so much, Triggs. Because of you, the little doggine isn't shy anymore. You can say that again. She's chasing me all around the dog park. Woof! You'll never catch me, little doggy. Oh, maybe you will.
Go, Triggs! Hang on. Are you not coming with us, Mum?
No, Maddie, I can't come in with you. I've some jobs to do, pet.
But I thought...
Don't worry, Triggs will be with you. You'll be fine.
Come on, Maddie. It'll be fun.
I'm not sure about this. I don't really know the other kids. I feel a bit...
What do you say, Maddie? Will we give it a go?
Okay, Miss Perkins.
Maddie, I'd like you to meet Amanda.
She's our checkmates captain and one of the best players the school has ever had.
Hey, Maddie, cool dog.
Oh, oh.
Hello, Amanda. Cool name.
Amanda, can I leave you to show Maddie the ropes?
Sure, Miss Perkins, I got this.
I'm glad you're here, Amanda. I was feeling a bit unsure.
That desert island feeling? I remember that.
You do?
Sure, I was the new kid in Checkmates once too. But you'll meet the rest of the gang soon. And before long, you'll fit right in.
Hear that, Maddie? Everything's gonna be just fine.
Wanna play?
Sure.
Just let me get my glasses. I can't see a thing without them.
You wear glasses too?
Oh, Maddie, I think we found a keeper.
You two certainly seem to be hitting it off.
Maddie's really good, Miss Perkins.
Amanda's teaching me a new move.
Lovely to meet you, Amanda.
They've been having a ball, Mrs. S. They haven't stopped playing once in the entire hour.
I'm so glad to hear that, Miss Perkins. Thanks for looking after her.
It's a beautiful day in Higgledy-Piggledy, and Maddie and Triggs have come to help Nana and Dado outdoors.
Your garden is amazing, Nana. It's big and wild and wonderful. So many different sounds.
And smells. Oh.
Now, come on, everyone. We need to get a move on and sort out my tree.
None of the tree will go to waste. I can weave a hat or doll. Rocket, slide, train, anything.
Oh, please, 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 will you make them all?
Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong. The willow tree will live on and on.
A little tree trim sa-sa
snip, snip.
is good for the tree.
A little tree trim
sa-sa
snip, snip.
gives to others naturally.
Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong. The willow tree will live on and on. Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong. The willow tree will live on and on.
And this stem, Maddie, is for you.
For me? You mean to weave something?
Oh, it's not to weave, it's to plant.
To plant?
This is how my tree started out. If you put the stem in the ground, it will take root and grow into your very own tree.
Really? My own tree?
Really? Now, where do you think would be a good place for it?
Here. I'll plant it here, near Mum's tree.
The perfect spot. And now all you have to do is push it into the ground.
It's amazing what can happen when you take the time to listen to your Nana.
Nice steps, Mr. S.
We're trying to find out what Bruce enjoys, so we're showing him some of our best tricks.
Oh, I know. What about air guitar?
Dad, do we have to?
I will if you will.
Well, Bruce, do you like our air guitar routine?
Maybe Bruce is trying to tell us what he likes to do with his bubble blooping.
Ah.
What is it, Bruce? Tell me. I'm all ears.
Imagine what Bruce's tank is like on the inside. Oh.
Hey, Bruce, I love your fishy disco.
I like to seesaw with Triggs in the park and snuggle up together when it's dark. I like when we dance to our silly songs and when we play a game of ping pong. Everything I like to do is more fun with you. More fun with you. No matter what I do, it's more fun with you.
I like it when me and Maddie play ball, and when she tickles my tummy and my paw.
I like cycling you and Triggs off to school,
and singing together is really cool.
Everything I like to do is more fun with you.
More fun with you.
No matter what I do, it's more fun with you. I just learned something new. Everything I like to do includes you.
Who, me?
And you.
Who, me?
And you too, Bruce.
Everything I like to do
is more fun with you.
More fun
With you. No matter what I do, it's more fun with you. Everything I like to do is more fun with you. More fun with you. No matter what I do, it's more fun with you.
Wow, that was the best fishy disco I've ever been to.
I'm the only one, Triggs. So now we know Bruce is happy in there when he's not on his own.